Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPCH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice day. I can't imagine anybody arguing against that. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. That is why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 0.011. Why is 0.011 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.011. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So to me, 0.011, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can hold up above 0.013, that would be the best case scenario, but I'm not saying that if 0.013 fails, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because again, still have 0.011 as support. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance is right up here at 0.016 where it closed today. And you can just see there's been some other, got rejected by it right there. So there's some congestion right around 0.016. Good news is, assuming there's no gap downs, it's not like the price has to travel a distance tomorrow in order to do battle with it. It'll be sitting right there. And if price breaks above there, well, that actually makes really good sense now. I didn't know that, but you can see right there, price was rejected by it way back when. So we'll just leave it at 0.016. And if the price, crushes through there tomorrow, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But any way you slice it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.